We are inspired by your commitment towards this long-standing dream. Thank you for your warm hospitality and for your generosity in passing on your learnings from this experience to us. Totoo na nga talaga ito. Wala na itong atrasan. Palarong Pambansa will return to the National Capital Region. And it is our distinct honor to host it at long last in Quezon City. Marami ang nagsasabi na Cubao daw ang sentro ng lahat. Para sa mga nagagawi sa Metro Manila, kung sakaling maligaw ka, pumunta ka lang sa Cubao. At doon mo mahahanap ang daan mula Luzon hanggang Visayas at hanggang Mindanao. Merong bus papunta at galing sa Cubao. Mapabiyaheng Vigan, Baguio o Naga, Dumaguete, Cebu o Iloilo, at kahit Zamboanga, Jensan o Davao, may ruta papunta sa QC. It all leads to QC. We thrive in the fact that all roads lead to and through us. We are proud to be connected to every corner of this great archipelago. And we carry this affinity with us as we open our home for next year's Palarong Pambansa. Sports have a way of revealing the best of who we are. Sa loob ng linggong ito, nasaksihan natin ang tapang, husay at lakas ng loob ng bawat student-athlete. Lumaban man kayo para sa kanya-kanyang rehiyon, bayan o eskwelahan. Nagawa niyo pa rin makipagkamay sa mga nakalaro at makahanap ng mga bagong kaibigan. Nanalo man o natalo, umiyak man, nadapa o nasugatan, nakita namin how hard you have fought to be on the premier national sporting event in our country. Across all events, you have shown us the greatness of the Filipino spirit. You have given us reasons to unite as one team at the end of the day, celebrating your victories as our own. Ano man ang ating pagkakaiba, isinasantabi natin ito para ipagdiwang ang mga bagay na tunay na nagbubuklod sa atin bilang isang bayan at bilang mga Pilipino. The 2027 Palarong Pambansa is a full circle moment for our city. The last time that QC hosted the Palarong Pambansa was 1966. 60 years ago, coinciding with the inauguration of our Amoranto Stadium. And you will all be welcome to that stadium once again next year. Since then, our city has been home to some of the most defining moments in Philippine sports history. Sa Araneta Coliseum, nasaksihan ng buong mundo ang paglaban ni Muhammad Ali sa Thrilla in Manila. Ang ilan sa mga umaatikabong laban ni Manny Pacquiao para itayo ang bandera ng Pilipinas sa boxing arena. At ang mga tagumpay ng mga PBA legends across generations. Sa aming mga universidad, nahubog ang marami sa mga hinahangaang collegiate athletes. And we are very proud that some of our nation's very best on the global sports arena are Q citizens, like Alex Ayala, for example. Quezon City knows what it means to host greatness. And this is the experience that we want every Palaro athlete to carry with them in 2027. A champion's experience. The same feeling countless world-class athletes have known on our grounds. Alam namin na napakataas ng standards na kailangan naming abutin. Our work has already begun, and we hope that our Palaro in QC next year will pave the way for many more success stories, ones that will be told in the Philippine sports scene in the years ahead. On behalf of the Quezon City government and our 3.3 million Q citizens, I am humbled and excited as we accept the enormous responsibility to host the champions of this generation. Kaya, sa 2027, tara na sa QC!